Next topic is VSWR. The abbreviation is that voltage standing wave ratio. The basic formula is that Vmax to V minimum. So maximum voltage to minimum voltage. The ratio of maximum voltage to minimum voltage is the basic formula for VSWR measurement. So in this diagram, if you consider, it is a transmission line and Z0 is the characteristic impedance, and ZL, we are at the other end we have connected a load ZL. It's the load characteristic impedance. In the case if the impedance, that is the characteristic impedance Z0 and the load impedance ZL, if it is not matched, then the incident wave which we are sending, the wave, it gets reflected due to the mismatch in impedance. When you see in this at the input side, this is the input voltage which we are feeding to the transmission line. Due to the mismatch in impedance between the characteristic impedance and the load impedance, the incident wave, it gets reflected. When you see, this is the reflected wave representation. So these incident and reflected wave at each position, it gets it can be, the voltages can be in phase and out of phase, both the reflected and the incident wave. So based on that, we will get a standing wave pattern in the transmission line. So the transmission, in the transmission line, the standing pattern is because of the incident and the reflected wave. This reflection is because of the input impedance and the load impedance mismatch. For better understanding, when you see this model, see in this, this is the incident wave and this is the reflected wave. When you see the output, depending upon the position, at some instant the voltages get added, that is we are calling it as Vmax. At some other instance, the voltages get subtracted, so that voltage which gets subtracted is called as V minimum. When you see in the first two, at this position both are in phase, so it gets added up, and the next case, when you see it is out of phase, one is in positive and other one is in negative side, so it is in out of phase, so it gets subtracted. So depending upon this in phase and out of phase of the incident and the reflected wave, the output, depending upon the voltage position only, there is a standing like wave pattern in the transmission line. Another calculation of VSWR is that, another formula is that 1 plus modulus of rho divided by 1 minus modulus of rho. Here rho indicates the reflection coefficient. Always the reflection coefficient range, it lies between 0 to 1. Let's consider two cases. If the modulus of rho value is 0, when you substitute this modulus value 0 to the above formula, 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0, which is nothing but we will obtain 1. So when the reflection value is 0, we will obtain the VSWR value as 1. Likewise, in the next case, if the modulus of rho, that is the reflection value, is 1, then the while substituting in VSWR formula, we will obtain the value as infinity, because it is 2 by 0, it is infinity. So when the reflection coefficient value is 1, the VSWR value is, it tends to infinity. So depending upon the reflection coefficient, the VSWR formula, when this reflection coefficient is 0 and 1, at that time the VSWR ranges, while substituting, it ranges from 1 to infinity. So always the reflection coefficient is between 0 to 1, it range, and VSWR ranges from 1 to infinity. So if rho value is 1, means it indicates the signal, it 100% the signal is get reflected, and the VSWR value is infinity. And in case if there is no reflection, means the reflection coefficient value is 0, and as well as the VSWR value is 1. So basic two formulas of VSWR is that Vmax by V minimum, depending upon the maximum and minimum voltage, and other one is the formula based on reflection coefficient. The reflection coefficient range lies between 0 to 1, and depending on that, the VSWR measurement, it lies between 1 to infinity. If the signal gets reflected means definitely the reflection definitely the VSW value, it tends to infinity and the rho value is 1. Or else we can say if the rho value is 1 means definitely there is a signal reflection and VSW value is infinity. And if the rho value is 0, it depending upon the rho value only we are giving justification that rho value is 1 means there is a 100% signal reflection, and if the rho value is 0 then there is no reflection of the signal. So based on that VSWR is known because we have the VSWR formula with respect to the reflection coefficient.